Good morning students. Continuing from the last video on this chapter 5, that is algebraic expression and special product. This is the fourth video. So today also we will solve some of the problems on this chapter. So let's start. So the first question is using division so that x square plus 2 minus 3x is a factor of this term. That means 2 minus 3x square plus x minus x cube plus x to the 4 is the dividend given here, and this is the divisor. We have to see that if remainder is 0, that means it is a factor. If remainder is not 0, that means it is not a factor. So first step is arrange the dividend in proper order. That means in descending order of the. So what is the descending order? The highest value of the literal. So highest value of the literal is x to the power 4. So right here x to the power 4. Next one is minus x cube. Next is minus 3x square. Then plus x. Then plus 2. So this is the proper order. Now divide. The divisor is here how much? X square plus 2 minus 3x. So the next step is look at the first term. What is the first term in the dividend? That is x to the power 4. We have to multiply any term with this divisor so that the first term will come x to the power 4. So if I multiply x square, let's multiply. If I multiply x square with x square plus 2 minus 3x, it is how much? So x square into x square, it will be x to the power 4 plus x square into 2x square minus 3x and x square how much? Minus 3x cube, because x to the power 1 is here 2 is there, so minus 3x to the power 3. So write the answer here now. So what you multiply? We have multiplied the term x square. If you multiply, so the question I am writing here x square. X square if you multiply this term, what you get? X to the 4, then plus 2x square. Write the like terms here. Plus 2x square will be here. 2x square will be here, and minus 3x cube. So 3x cube right here. Now do minus operation. So minus if you do here, then x plus x square and minus x to the 4 will be cancelled. Then this will be plus and this will be minus. So minus x cube and plus 3x cube. How much it will come? The larger number is here plus. So answer will come plus 3 minus 1 is 2x cube, because the literal is x cube here. Then minus, it will be minus 3 plus 2, 5x square. Then down this one plus x, then plus 2. Now look at the first term here now. So after minus here the first term coming is 2x to the power cube. So what will multiply with this term x square plus 2 minus 3x, so that the first term of the dividend will come 2x cube. Definitely it will be 2x if you multiply 2x. If you multiply 2x with the term x square plus 2 minus 3x, with how much it is coming? 2x into x, it will be 2x cube plus 2x into 2, it will be 4x minus 2 into 3, it will be 6x square, because x into x is x square. Okay. Now, so what you are getting? Write the answer here. So we have multiplied here the term 2x. So right, that is plus 2x. So I am writing after multiplying 2x with this term. So what we got here? 2x cube, then plus 4x, right? Plus 4x here. Then minus 6x square right here, minus 6x square, then do minus. So it will be minus, this will be plus, this is minus, this is, so it will be down. So 2x cube minus 2 cancel, minus 5x square plus x square. Because here sign is plus, the larger number is plus 6, so 6 minus 5 will be 1, so it will be x square. Then here minus, and it will be plus, 4 minus 1 will be 3, larger number is 4, so it's in a negative sign, so it will be 3x, then plus 2. Now look at here, what is the first term we are getting now? We are getting here 4, x to the power 2, that is x square. So what you multiply with this term, will get the same term. Definitely you see that this is the same term here. We are getting the expression here in the divisor and the remainder, both are same. So if you multiply 1 in the quotient, you will get the same term, that is x square and plus 2 will be here and minus 3x. So same term. Now look at here, if you do minus operation, it will be all terms are cancelled. all terms are cancelled. That means the remainder will be 0. It proves that which is a factor, x square plus 2 minus 3x is a factor of this dividend, that is x to the power 4 minus x2 minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Okay. Sometimes these types of questions are coming. The question is like this: find whether 4z square minus 5 is a factor of 4z to the power 4 plus 7z square plus 15 or not. So we have to check. That means it may be a factor or may not be a factor. We have to check. If remainder is 0, that means it is a factor. If remainder is not 0, it is not a factor. So let's check. So what is dividend here? Write this: 4z to the power 4 plus 7z square plus 15. So here we are looking that the dividend is in proper order. So all the difference are in proper order. Now what is divisor here? That is 4z square minus 5 is the divisor here. And we have to multiply any term so that the first term will come 4z to the power 4. So what we multiply? So let's multiply z square. Okay. If you multiply z square with the term 4z square minus 5, what we are getting? We are getting here z square into 4z square, that is 4z to the power 4, and z square minus 5, we are getting 5z square. So it is, the first term is now 4z to the power 4. So we will take this term, we will multiply z square. So we have to write here z square here in the quotient part. Whenever we multiply z square with this, multiply with the divisor, we are getting 4z to the power 4 minus, we are getting 5z square. 5z square. Now the minus operation. So 4z square and minus, this is cancel 0 and this will be plus. So 7 plus 5 will be 12. 12z square plus 15 as it is. So now we get the first term here. Here first term is 12z square. So what we multiply with this divisor so that we will get the first term 12z square? Definitely it will be 3. If you multiply 3 with 4z square, we are getting 12z square. So if you multiply plus 3, so if you multiply plus 3 with this term, we are getting 12z square here. So 3 into 4, that is 12z square, and 3 with minus 5, that is minus 15. So where what you are getting here? So minus, this is minus sign, but this will be plus sign, and 12z square, this is cancelled, but 15 plus 15 will be 30. So we are looking at, so what we got here? Here the remainder is not 0. So it proves that 5z square minus 5 is not a factor of this term, that is 4z to the power 4 plus 7z square plus 15, because the remainder is not 0. Okay. Sometimes this type of questions are coming. So what is this question? What must be subtracted from x to the power 4 plus 6 to the power 3 plus 13x square plus 13x plus 8 so that the resulting polynomial is exactly divisible by x square plus 3x plus 2. So it is the divisor and it is the dividend. So write the dividend. We are looking at the dividend is in proper order. So no need to arrange it. So write the order dividend: x to the power 4 plus 6x cube plus 13x square plus 13x plus 8. So what is the divisor here? The divisor here is x square plus 3x plus 2 is the divisor. So now what is the first term? Look at the first term. What is the first term here? X to the power 4. So what you multiply with this divisor so that the first term will come x to the power 4? Definitely it is x square. So if you multiply x square with the divisor, we will get the first term. So x square into x square, it will be x to the power 4 plus, so x square into 3x, it is 3x cube. So it is 3x cube. Then x square into 2 it is 2x square. So now do minus operation. So here minus minus minus. So here x to the power 4 and x to the power 4 plus minus cancel 0. So 6 minus 3 is 3 x to the power it is cube, because x square is x to the power cube. x to the power cube. Then here 13 minus 2. 13 minus 2 is 11. So it is 11. 3 minus 2 is 1. 11 x square. Then plus 13x. Then plus 8. So now what is the first term here? 3x to the power 3. So now our aim is to see that how we will get the first term. What you multiply, which term you multiply with this polynomial here, so that it will get 3x to the power 3. That is 3x. If you multiply 3x with x square, you will get this 3x cube. So write here 3x and multiply with the divisor. So 3x multiplied with divisor, we are getting 3x into x square, that is 3x cube. 3x into 3x, we are getting 9x square. So plus 9x square. 3x with 2, we are getting 6x. So we are getting right here 6x and to the minus operation. Here minus minus minus. So the plus minus will be cancelled because it's 0. 11 minus 2 is 9 is 2. 2x square and 13 minus 6 is 7 plus 7x and it is plus 8. Now we see that we are getting here 2x square, the first term. So what we multiply here? So if we multiply 2 in the divisor, we will get 2x square. So write here 2 plus 2. 2 into x square is 2x square and 2 into 3x it is plus 6x. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 4. Now to the minus operation. So here minus minus minus. So plus 2x square minus 2x square cancel because 0. 7x minus x is how much? 7 minus 6 is 1. So x only. 8 minus 4 will be minus 4. 8. So 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4. 8 minus 4 is plus 4. So what we are getting the remainder? We are getting the remainder here. Remainder. How much? X plus 4. So the question is saying that what must be subtracted? If you subtract this remainder x plus 4 from this dividend, we will get the product. The resulting polynomial is exactly divisible with this divisor x square plus 3x plus 2. So therefore we write if we subtract x plus 4 from what? From the dividend. What is the dividend? That is x to the power 4 plus 6x cube plus 13x square plus 13x plus 8. The resulting polynomial will be exactly divisible with what? With x square plus 3x plus 2. Okay.